In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ChatGPT to Monday.com. To get started, sign into your Monday.com account and head to your home view. From the top menu, look for the small puzzle-shaped icon. That's the Apps and Marketplace shortcut. Click it to open the Marketplace, where you can browse and add tools that enhance your workflows. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and type ChatGPT. You'll see a list of available ChatGPT-related apps and integrations. Open the option that best matches your needs. Take a moment to review the description, capabilities, and permissions so you know exactly what it can do inside your boards and workspaces. When you're ready, click Install App to begin the setup. Next, you'll be asked where you want this app to be available. You'll see options for all workspaces or specific workspaces. It's useful to consider access here. All workspaces makes the app available everywhere, while specific workspaces lets you limit it to particular teams. For now, choose all workspaces so you can try it broadly, and then click Install. If you're prompted to accept permissions, confirm to proceed. This simply allows the app to interact with your Monday.com data in the ways it needs to function. After installation, you'll select where to use the app. Choose a workspace first, then pick the board where you want the ChatGPT experience to live. You'll be prompted to choose the app's location. Select Board so it appears as a view within that board. Then click Add App to attach it. This makes ChatGPT accessible right alongside your items, columns, and updates, so you can work without switching tools. You may see a short onboarding inside the new board view. Click Next, then Next again to scan through the highlights, and finally Close to finish. You're now on the ChatGPT panel within your board. In the message box, type what you want help with. This could be drafting an update, summarizing a group of items, brainstorming task descriptions, or turning brief notes into clear action steps. For best results, reference the board context in your prompt, like the item name or the outcome you want, and keep your request specific. Avoid sharing sensitive information, and remember you can iterate. If the first response isn't perfect, refine your prompt and try again. That's it. You've connected ChatGPT to Monday.com, added it to a board, and you're ready to start working smarter right inside your workspace.